Hi, Miss Kelsey's kiddos. Okay, my honey bunnies. For those parents who might see this on YouTube and do not know me, these experiments are for preschoolers and they usually go from age 3 up to age 5. I think beyond that they might find it not interesting. Okay, so now we are gonna go and we're gonna weigh a few things. Since it's Easter, we want to use our Easter eggs. Yep. And we want to see what happens. But now let's see what's inside. Ooh, rocks. Now those are heavy rocks. Look at those. Maybe I can quickly weigh them for you. I've got a very old scale and that's going to be much fun. So let's do this. Okay, so here's a real old age scale. So what do you see? How much do those weigh? Did it move? Let me see. Wow, it's about an ounce, it says. That's not heavy enough. Let's make it heavier. I want it at least 2 ounces. Did it move? Yep, it's moving. Can you see? Look there. This is a real old-fashioned scale. And when I lift it up, it doesn't weigh. Okay, so that's not working. Okay, but I have about 2 ounces of rocks here. So let's see if I can get all of these rocks. And by the way, these rocks I got at the Dollar Tree. So let's see if I can fit all these rocks. Can I fit all of them in my Easter egg? Looks like I can. Now, nobody wants that. Now, I suggest, when you do this experiment, make sure you buy an Easter egg without a hole. If you buy an Easter egg with a hole, then the water will go inside, into the Easter egg. You do not want that. Okay? It will definitely go through that hole. So I just put a little bit of sticky tape there just to be safe. The next one, I think the next one everybody would want because this one is much more fun. And whoops, and there they go. Sketsy is not being very good at this today. Okay, look what I have there. I have some jelly beans. Now this is an Easter egg we all want. We want to find that Easter egg. Then, look what I have, a peep, another favorite. Miss Kelsey has a daughter, and she loved experiments. She's an engineer today, and she loves these. I don't like them much. I don't find them that tasty. Okay, again, I'm going to take a little piece of sticky tape and just close it there. Again, make sure no eggs with holes. And guys, all of this doesn't need to be expensive. I got it at the Dollar Tree. I should hashtag the Dollar Tree. Okay, just for fun. Let's see what happens with these 2 clips. Okay, so let's put one of them also in an egg, just because we can. And then one I'm going to keep out. I thought I had everything right here where I needed it, and it seems like I still do not. Okay, so now let's see what happens. This one, can you remember what this one had in it? This one should be the lightest. Yeah, it had a peep in it. Oh, it's floating. This one had some lovely jelly beans. Oh, look at that. It's floating too. Now let's pray this works. This one, let's see what happens. It's going to the bottom. Why would this go to the bottom? Because it's not completely closed. Water is getting in. Can you guys see? The rocks are going to the bottom. And I wonder if you can see here. The one that's the lightest, look there. It's floating on top. The one that has the jelly beans and is a little heavier, look there. It's like it's deeper down in the water. Can you see? And then the one, look here, the one with the rocks, it's right at the bottom. Now, why would that be? I wonder. Again, write this down and observe, and then your mommy and daddy can tell you, because since this is for Miss Coates's classroom and they have to come up with their own solutions, we cannot tell you why it does that. But they will know, and you should try and figure it out too, okay? Okay, the next one I'm going to do is pretty magic. I am going to do a magic trick. Now, I do hope this magic trick works. Now, when I do this, again, do not do this without mommy and daddy. Look at this. Look what I'm doing. I'm taking a pencil, and it's an Easter pencil, sharp, and I'm just going to do this. Look there. It's not leaking. How does Miss Coatesy do this? How come I can just poke pencils in and it doesn't drip? Oops, that one is not very sharp. Look at this. I'm going cuckoo's here. Look at this. Oh, all these pencils in a plastic Ziploc bag. Guys, when you do this, your parents have to be with their, please do not let them call me and tell me that they have to replace their carpets. So look here. Oh, and then I wonder, will it still not leak if I take out the pencils? What is going on here? Let's see. Oh, it's leaking. Look at that. It's leaking. So I really did make the holes. I didn't. Now I wonder if this is a magic trick. Look at that. Again, when you do this, do it with your parents, trick your brothers and sisters, and see if they know why that happened and how come this can be done. This is really fun. You can do this. You can even put some color water in here and see how the water goes back. Okay, so this is a fun one. Okay, unfortunately, I didn't start this early enough, but Miss Coatesy wanted to show you something else. Remember how I said that, remember how I showed you the project where I put color in my cups, and then I put a leaf of lettuce in each cup, and then the lettuce, it's with calibration, but then it's almost like the lettuce sucked up the colored water and the lettuce turned. Well, this is pretty much the same thing. Guys, this is food color. Be careful. I wish I had only blue, red, and yellow, because it would also show you how the colors mix, but I didn't have that kind of food color. Now, this is how it's going to work. Eventually, but I'll have to come back and show you, eventually, these colors will mix, and you can see how the paper towel it just drinks it up. So there is a big scientific word for this, and I want you guys, look here. This is not even in the water, and look how it's already drinking it up. There's a big scientific word for this. Can you see? This one is already moving over. It's going to go into the water. And the word is not osmosis. Your homework is to find out what is happening here. What's the scientific term we use for this, okay? Okay, guys, I need to go. This is going to become too long. Okay, I'll see you soon. Let's learn over Zoom. Okay, bye-bye, guys.